Solve the differential equation dy on dx is equal to xy minus x, given that y equal to 2 when x equal to 0. Express y in terms of x. Take solution. First thing, for us to carry out integration, we are going to start by separating the variables. Write down the differential equation dy on dx is equal to xy minus x. This is simply equal to, at the right hand side we can factor out x is common, x times y gives us xy, x times negative 1 gives us negative x. This will give us, let's write this down, dy on dx is simply equal to x times y minus 1. Then, if we divide both sides by y minus 1, this will give us 1 all over y minus 1 times dy over dx as such to be equal to x. Y minus 1 will strike off y minus 1 at the right hand side. Now we can break dy on dx, then we perform integration. This will give us dy over y minus 1. Since we have to integrate this with respect to y, it will be equal to x dx. We have to integrate this with respect to x. We put the integration sign. Integrating dy all over y minus 1, this will simply give us the ln of magnitude of y minus 1. It is a ln of the magnitude of y minus 1 because if we differentiate y minus 1, it gives us dy. The partial derivative of this gives us dy. It is simply equal to the integral of x dx gives us, we have to add 1 to the power of x. X here is raised to the power 1. 1 plus 1 gives us 2 x squared. Then we divide by the new power. We have x squared. Then plus the constant of integration c. C belongs to the set of real numbers. We have been given initial conditions. By applying the initial conditions, we can find the value of c. We have been told that y is equal to 2 when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. We insert the values in the ln of magnitude of y minus 1 equal to a half x squared plus c. This will give us the ln of y is 2. Can insert 2 minus 1. We are going to remove the magnitude signs since it is going to give us a positive result. Is equal to a half times 0 squared plus c. The reason why we have this magnitude sign is simply because we cannot take the ln of a negative number. Take note of that. This will give us the ln of 2 minus 1 gives us 1 to be equal to 0 squared is 0 times a half remains 0 plus c. Then our c will be equal to the ln of 1, which is 0. This will give us the ln of y minus 1 to be equal to a half x squared plus c, which is 0. This is the same as the ln of y minus 1 is equal to a half x squared. Then, if we take exponent on both sides, e to the ln of y minus 1 will simply be equal to e raised to the power a half x squared. Such. Then, e raised to the power ln y minus 1 gives us y minus 1 is equal to e to a half x squared. Then, if we make y the subject of formula, y will simply be equal to, we are going to transfer -1 to the right hand side, becomes +1 plus e to a half x squared. Then we conclude, therefore, y is equal to 1 plus e raised to the power a half x squared. It simply means if we differentiate y equal to 1 plus e raised to the power a half x squared, it is going to give us the differential equation dy on dx, which is equal to x times y minus x. We underline our answer. We are done with the solution. If in case you have any questions, feel free to drop your questions at the comment section. Please, if you like the video, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching.